Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, hi, my name is Placido. I hope you enjoy your stay and I hope you do subscribe to become part of the family. And if you're a returning subby, if you are a returning baby, what's popping? Today is Saturday, the 29th of June, and my friends are organizing a girls' night out. I'm not doing anything, so I said yes, I'll go. They said we must come in makeup. I don't know when I'm going to start doing my makeup. This is almost 12:30 and I was expected to be there around 4 or 5. I'm always late for some reason to occasions, to events, to parties, and I'm always late. I don't know why. Well, because right now, Steph, even I should have started getting ready, but no. I was watching TikTok and I was like, let me just start this vlog. So I'm going to get ready around. I'm going to start getting ready around 4. At least by 6-ish, I should be there. So I want to show you guys my feet, show you guys everything, take you guys along as much as possible. It's always a girls, as long as it's a girls' night out. I don't think I'll be able to take you guys as long that much. Why? Because I'll forget to vlog. Most times I forget to vlog. Not that I lose footage, I always forget to vlog. So, but I'll try my best. I'll take you guys along with me. So, yeah. If you're new to my channel, like I said before, my name is Placida. I've not been taking my channel seriously, but now I'm about to start taking it seriously. Okay, so please follow me, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share my videos. So I'll be seeing you guys I'll see you guys later when I'm about to start getting ready. Okay, mwah. Toodles. Okay, so this is my setup. The fan is on, so there'll be background noise. So the few brushes I have: beauty blenders, foundation, makeup spray, concealers, powder, primer, palette, and so on. So this is what we're working with right now. Hair, makeup done. I'm not really confident about how I styled my hair. I might style it a different way when I get there, but yeah, let's head out now because it's already 6. My outfit is in my bag. This is not what I'm putting on. I just put on a bodycon dress. I don't know why I'm speaking so fast. So let's head out now. It's already 6. Mwah. Love you guys. Mwah. Say hi. Say hi.
Say hi. God, I beg you.
Happy new month, guys. Happy new July. I know it's coming late. Today's already 3rd. I was just adjusting to the new month. I was taking my own time to enter into the new month. Today is 3rd. Today is a Wednesday, and I'm getting ready to go. I have two tags or 2 activities to do today. First of all, I am going to change these nails. Look at them. Just look at these nails. Like, I have even lost a member. So I am going to get that done. My nail tech warned me, or she threatened that if I am even a minute late, she is going to add a fee, because I am always late to my appointment. Always, guys. And it's actually not my fault. I don't know how that happens. I just don't know how that happens. So I'm rushing to get there as fast as I can. Then from there, I'm going to the market to get some supplies for my business. If you guys don't know, I sell wigs and I sell body enhancement products. Yeah, for weight gain, when your ass bigger and stuff like that. Sorry, I'm not concentrating. I'm just rushing right now. Yeah, so from my nail appointment, I'm going to the market. Then I'm heading back home. I don't really have much to do today, though, because I think I spent the last 2 days just organizing my stuff and organizing my space. So I don't want to put too much sunscreen, because then I won't be able to blend it out properly. Yeah, so what was I saying before? Oh jeez, I just knew it. Look at my face. Well, let me tell you a trick I do. Whenever I can't really blend it out, I just put a little bit of my toner just a little bit. I just put a little bit of my toner and that helps me blend it out. Like, not very well, but it does help out. So I'll catch you guys when I'm going. Okay, talk about getting ready at the speed of light. My appointment is by 12 and this is 11:54, so let's head out.
Cowboy Carter, time to strike a match and light up this juke joint.
Well, she got that water, King Man got that water. Don't act like you don't know. Giddy up, don't put me in gold. Giddy up, back outside, I'm on the road. Giddy up, when the sun goes down. Lay up, can hear her body howl. Feel her eyeing me like ow. Hide your man when a hangman coming down. She's a tyrant. Every time I ride it, make it look so good. Try to justify it. Boy, you know they're looking for me. How we gonna hide it? Riding like hydraulics. I am such a tyrant. Every time I ride it, I don't like to sit up in the saddle. Boy, I got it. Just relax, I got this. I got that exotic. Hips so hypnotic. I am such a tyrant. She got that water. King Man got that water. Don't act like you don't know. Giddy up, don't put me in gold. Giddy up, back outside, I'm on the road. Giddy up, when the sun goes down. Giddy up, I can hear this body howl. Giddy up.
Hey guys, so I just got back from school now and I got the products I ordered for something. Was it yesterday or the day before yesterday? I ordered for face sponge and face brush. So let me show you guys. This is the face sponge. I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the face sponge looks like. I got two just so I can have an extra one. Let me show you guys the second product. So I just recorded 2 videos of me opening the packages I ordered and somehow they just deleted. Somehow I don't know if I recorded. Well, this is the products I got. I'll show you guys my back camera. So this is the second thing I ordered, this face brush, and she gave me a hair clip as a thank you, as a goodie item in my package. So yeah, that is all I have for you guys right now. I am so tired. I just got back from school now since morning. I am tired and I just want to shower and just rest. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers. Good morning, versus today is Sunday. Today is the 20th. Oh my god. Is today 20? I don't know. But today is Sunday and I did not go to church. I'm getting ready to go for a birthday event. My friend is here with me. She's not dressed appropriately, so I cannot show her. I just finished doing my skincare. I'm about to do my makeup. I'm about to do my makeup now because we should be out of this house by 12. So let me hurry, guys. So I just got the bed palette that I paid for. It just came in this evening. I'm about to set it up. Watch me work, guys.